Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about dogelonmars price prediction and dogelonmars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for dogelonmars in 2022. Dogelonmars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelonmars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, dogelonmars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised to do due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, ELON has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. Dogecoin. Could Elon Musk help Doge and validate its losses for all it's worth? Dogecoin goes back to being just a meme-inspired cryptocurrency. Its only value comes from the fact that Elon Musk endorsed it in his way. Well, that is how Doge gained any semblance of validation and usefulness. The token has had quite a poor performance of late. But now, it seems like Elon Musk can't save it from bears. Elon and Twitter saved Dogecoin. The 16% rally of 5 April was the biggest single-day rise that Dogecoin registered in over 4 months. Now, since Dogecoin isn't making any stellar advancement on the developmental front, the only possible reason which could have triggered the rise seems to be Elon Musk's Twitter development. The Doge father being made a member of Twitter's board of directors might have been an indirect trigger for the coin. Regardless, in a single shot, the coin managed to recover all the losses witnessed throughout 2022. As a matter of fact, within 24 hours, over 120k Doge holders who had been noting lost in exercises on Twitter. Twitter's CEO announced a day later that Musk had joined the board of directors. He's both a passionate believer and intense critic of the service, which is exactly what we need on Twitter, said Parag Agrawal. By joining the board, Musk also agrees that he will not purchase more than 14.9% and take over majority control of the company. Mr. Musk will not, either alone or as a member of a group, become the beneficial owner of more than 14.9% of the company's common stock outstanding at such time, according to a filing. As Twitter enthusiasts wait attentively for any incoming changes to the platform, Dogecoin holders are undoubtedly enjoying the news this week. The week-long rally has been even more impressive. On March 6, $1 level. This area, sign box, had been a supply area in recent weeks, and it would be a short-term bullish sign if the price can flip it to demand. Higher on the charts, the $0.0937 and $0.099 levels are likely to act as resistance. The hourly RSI formed lower highs even as the price tried to push past $0.0861 and higher. This bearish divergence could play out, and see Elon dip to the $0.081 area in search of demand. However, such a minor pullback would likely be a near-term buying opportunity. The OBV formed a series of higher lows over the past week. This suggested buying volume has been the stronger force. The DMI was on the verge of signaling a strong bullish trend in progress. The 21 SMA, orange, also climbed above the 55 SMA, green, recently to show upward momentum. Conclusion is the coin has a lower liquidity than other bigger cryptocurrencies. By market cap, more volatility could be seen for Elon. Therefore, risk management and stop losses would have to be carefully considered on any new or existing Elon positions. A flip of $0.0861 to support could be used to enter a long position, targeting $0.0937 and $0.099. The next news is SpaceX's Starlink could prove to be the ultimate Elon Musk-backed catalyst for $1 Doge. When Elon Musk is not running through the six with his woes, he is most likely on Twitter engaging his audience, which has in recent times been increasingly attentive to the billionaire's sentiments on crypto. Musk, who likes to keep his audience guessing before dropping major announcements, was at it again on Sunday, this time hinting on Starlink and SpaceX accepting Dogecoin at some point. The tweet came from one Jonah Crider, a die-hard supporter of Elon Musk, for what she claims theirs is a personal relationship. Since Musk helped me when I was homeless, and when he found out what I was going through, he encouraged me. Crider tweeted on utility value refers to the underlying potential of use cases of a technology. BTC has value because of consensus. It is considered as an option for investment or asset preservation. It is also recognized as a legal tender in El Salvador. Dogecoin is not yet a legal tender, but it is accepted as a payment method. According to Cryptwork, as of Feb. 222, there are 1,069 merchants and organizations already accepting Dogecoin for payments. Although one of Dogecoin's founders, Jackson Palmer, gave up on Dogecoin in 2014, it didn't stop the token from growing. 2 random milestones. The Dogecoin community sponsored the Jamaican bobsled team for the Sochi Winter Olympics. In 2014, the community raised money to help Doctors Without Borders treat victims of Ebola by one day. No contact MSF Dogecoin game fundraising event. Meme value. A memecoin is generally defined as a coin with no intrinsic utility, but dogelonmars is currently worth $0.00000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is dogelonmars, ELON, a good investment? How much will dogelonmars cost in 2025, or how much will dogelonmars cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, dogelonmars, ELON, appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.00000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the dogelonmars market price could increase to $0.00000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of dogelonmars will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.00000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.00000132, with an expected price of $0.00000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. ELON is discovered by potential. As signs and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in dogelonmars, the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.00000221. ELON is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.00000192, a low price of $0.00000186, and an expected price of $0.00000221. Course forecast 2025. ELON will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the dogelonmars price will be almost $0.00000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.00000326. Dogelonmars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.00000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. dogelonmars course prediction. 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. Dogelonmars could cross $0.00000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. ELON rate prediction. 2027 dogelonmars will increase the